To make the origami workshop, we need to start by cutting out one of these templates. It's best to cut out on the wall side. This is the roof side, wall side. Cut out around the line on the wall side. There we go. Get rid of the rubbish. Keep to hand a pen with a lid. So start with the roof side down, and you need to make valley folds by folding the template corner to corner. So you can use a pen lid to sharpen the creases. Open out and repeat. Next, turn over and then take each corner and fold to the centre. Open back out and turn over. Next, we want to take this mountain fold and bring that to the centre. Open out, rotate 90 degrees and repeat. Next, turn over, and this is a wall and this is a wall. Starting with this one, fold corner over like that, and then the wall to the centre like this. Fold the point over, and then the wall to the middle. Next, bring these two flaps in and then fold these corners back. There we go. Next, we want to make valley folds here and here, and the same on the other side. So it's just this outer edge. Same here. Open it back out. And now we want to make valley folds here, 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 and here. You can do that just by bringing it over and reinforcing the folds like so. Now the next bit is quite tricky. Turn it over, and here we have two mountain folds, and we need to create a valley fold between them by pinching them together like so. It's a little fiddly, but an important step, and then we repeat on each corner. Here we go, and turn over. Next, fold the model in half, like that. And we're focusing on this corner here with the lighter colours. Fold the corner over and try to make this a really sharp crease. Unfold, lift this little flap, squash, and then tuck that little flap under, like that. And we'll repeat at the other end by turning the template over like so. Fold over, crease, fold the flap out, tuck the flap under, and we're done. So now we can bring the model into the air, and we can already see that it's made the roof shape. Now next, what we need to do is to fold this mounting fold here and then tuck it under the side, and that makes a little point like that. We repeat, mounting fold, tuck under, and then next take one point and tuck it in like so, and then repeat at the other end. This is a little fiddly, and I've made dozens of these and I still really haven't found a way of doing it quickly, so take your time. And then tuck the points in. So now go round just to reinforce the corners to make the model square, like that. And there you go. Your own little Makers Central Strawbyte Workshop. Thanks for watching. I hope you have fun making your template too, and yeah, if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.